so unorganised. Bosh. Bye, Sarah.
Goodbye, Felix.
Bye, Greg.
Bye. Right, so I've come out with Felix today. He's got to do a brake read on a BMW X5. His driving is absolutely ridiculous. Hits every speed bump going. I'm chancing my life, obviously, as a passenger.
It's not that bad.
It's alright. It's not too bad. Nice and steady. Slow and steady wins the race, Felix.
Slow and steady wins the race. We went to his car before and Greg raced back.
Yeah, because my dinner was ready.
Shaky that, shaky. This is the first day I'm recording, all on my own. I feel like I ride moped in the car. People must think I'm talking to somebody. I'm not, talking to myself, like I'm schizophrenic, or psychopath, you choose. That's here or there. We've got a BMW X5 where we've been to like 3-4 times now. First, whilst initial diagnostic, it was proper hard seeing where all the brake fluid came from, because, you know, it was absolutely pouring it down. So first off, we were checking where the leak's coming from because the brake fluid was low. We found a brake pipe corroded. I'm going to take a video of that in a sec. It's in the boot. As I was showing the customer, it literally fell apart. It's madly corroded, which, what I always like to do before I go to a job is I go on Vehicle Score, Vehicle Smart. You choose your website. We log Vehicle Score. Use VALETING for 20% off. Either or. Check on the MOT history. 2 years ago it had an advisory for corrosion on the brake line for the near side front. And then all of a sudden it disappeared. I can tell you right now that brake pipe hasn't been replaced. It's on its last leg. Honestly, last leg. I'm on my way to Cannon Tools to pick up some tools, because why not? I don't actually know where this leads. Like, Greg just gave me a GoPro to record. Here I am. Still trying to get the hang of it, the gist of it. But anyhow, I woke up at 3:30. It's 8 o'clock now. I aim to be there at 8 o'clock. I'm about 20 minutes away. I don't know how the f I woke up 4.5 hours before and I'm still late. That's got to be a new record. I always said to Greg, don't censor my stuff, but in the same breath, we'll see how long my account stays open for. I'll give it 2 months. Might be a bit sooner. We're gonna clean this van out because some little birdie told me that this van's never been cleaned since it's been decaled. So, I mean, dashboard's dusty, but yeah, we'll see what we can do. So I'll just tag you along for today. I just love Birmingham traffic in the morning. It's absolutely great. Whoever thought of the road design here really should be knighted, should deserve knighthood, should not get hit by a car. Anyhow, I'm gonna make one.
I can see, that's so weird.
I'm gonna make. I spent £230 and the amount of tools I got is ridiculous. So, see you there in a sec. Bye.
Meant to meet me at the yard 8:30. 8:32 come. I thought I'd better ring him. And
I thought it was my alarm going off. I thought, oh.
I heard a load of scurrying around. I knew he was still in bed. I could hear the phone going. And he said, oh, you have to give me 10 minutes. I said, you're still at home, aren't you? He said, oh, I fell back to sleep. I was like, right, I'll come and get you.
Keep in mind, I was watching. I kept waking up and falling back asleep. I was watching the UFC, and the last one was just like 6:30. I thought, oh, I better get dressed. Got dressed. Woke up 2 hours later, fully dressed. I thought, fuck. Oh Jesus, Greg's gonna, yeah. I've figured something out here. Every time I tell you I'm early, I'm not. Every time I don't say anything, I'll be there at like 6 o'clock.
You left me sitting there like a sore Frankfurter.
Oh, behave. Do you want you wanted to go to B&Q yesterday and you still hasn't recovered from that?
No. All you letting me down. Everyone lets me down.
Well, it's not my fault. You wake up at 5:30 in the morning. Well, probably earlier than that.
Well, that's life, isn't it?
It's life for you. Anyways, we're going to see ourselves in Canada. I'm on my way to do brake pads on a Maserati. I can't remember on top of my head now what the name was. 3-litre diesel. Safe board about. Hello everybody. On our way to do some brakes on the Maserati. We're about 15 minutes away from the job. It's towards Stratford upon Avon, just outside it. We've got him here. That might spark some controversy in the comments. Napa. Now, I know how people feel about Napa, but I don't think Napa's too bad, you know. Never had a problem with them. I've had problems with PPF. Don't know if you ever heard of them. Local company here in the Midlands sells them. PPF. I like Blueprint. Blueprint are good for brake pads because they come with the shims and all the extras and everything. And don't like Durid. Durid's terrible. Brembo depends which type you buy. If you buy the cheap one on Euro, it's going to be terrible. If you buy the more expensive one, it's good. But then, the best one, hands down, I think, is Bosch. It's just Bosch and brakes are not that easily available. And we took this job on with 5-minute notice, so that was the only place I had them in stock. So they're getting good old Napas. I'm gonna put the chest strap on and film me doing the brakes, so we'll see us when we get there. Hello people, just finished the Maserati off. I'm on my way now to Redditch to go to the auction, see Greg and Sarah. Come on Leo.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Today we're going to drive to order some pizza.
I've already ordered the pizza, I'm going to get it.
So do you want some? Do you want to have a slice too?
Should everybody leave in the comments if they want a slice too?
I'm his little brother.
What's your name?
I'm Leonardo, and do you want some pizza, guys? Smell the pizza.
Right, say bye.
Bye.
Just in the car with Greg.
Stuck in traffic.
Stuck in traffic. He's not very happy.
Not when people don't let them say, look, go, look, go, go, go. Look, he's ridiculous, man. You can go now, mate. You go now, then you let me go. Oh, no, you won't let me go. Okay? I now go.
So this video's going to be all over the place, you know.
You know, that's what happens.
Well, that's what happens. Anyways, here's a locomotive factors. So we'll see us when we're out of it. Bosh! Picked up the parts in Oxford. No.
It's froze again.
Greg's clenching his cheeks.
Trying to upload this and it just keeps crashing on me. You do 3 hours worth of, look at this now, what'll happen, look. Saving, not responding. Oh my God.
Son.
Felix did not record an outro, so I will have to do it myself. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.